Hey guys, so today I have the Christmas in New York trio from Clionadh Cosmetics. This is in collaboration with What's Up Beauty, so there are actually two places where you can find this. I will link the Clionadh website and the What's Up Beauty website down below where you guys can check these out. 3 polishes, and I'll get into the swatches. So like always, I try to show you guys the boxes that the polishes come in, and these are the Clionadh boxes. The first polish is called Skate in the Park, and this is described as an icy pale blue with linear and scattered holographic sparkle and a scattering of multicolored iridescent flakies. A little sheer on the first coat, but really good formula. The holographic that's in there is nice and strong, and those rainbow flakies stand out really nicely against that base. So it starts to build on the second coat, but there is still a bit of nail line showing. I know you could probably stop here for like an ethereal look, but I feel like this one looks best fully opaque. And it did cover almost completely for me in 3 coats. If you look really closely, you could still see some nail line, and it does show up a bit more here on camera than it did in person, but it was good enough for me, and I really love those rainbow flakies in there. So that is 3 coats of Skate in the Park. The next polish is called Ribbon Wrapped, and this is described as a bright ribbon red base with metallic red flakies, reflective red glitter, and red-orange shimmer. Good formula, a little bit sheer, but not terrible. Those red flakies are very, very obvious on this first coat. You can really see like what role they play in the polish. So this covered completely for me in 2 coats. You will get some heavier concentrations of those little red flakies, which will stick up a bit, but there really isn't any significant texture from the reflective glitter, which is kind of surprising. So that is 2 coats of Ribbon Wrapped. And the last polish is called 321 Light the Tree, and this is described as a cobalt blue magnetic with sparkling gold holographic glitter, pink gold to lime shifting micro flakies, and a touch of golden reflective micro glitter. There is so much going on with this. So good formula, pretty decent coverage, a little bit sheer, but it is shifty, it's magnetic, it's reflective, there's a lot going on. The magnetic effect is strong, but I do think it's lost a little bit in the busyness of all the elements in the polish. This covered pretty well for me in 2 coats. There was still a little bit of nail line showing, which was very minor, but I did some kind of spot treatment on the end of my nail to try to cover that up because I thought that was a better option. I didn't think I needed a whole 3rd coat, so I just did a little thicker at the end of my nail to cover it. So 2 or 3 coats, just depending on your preference. So that is 2 coats of 321 Light the Tree. Ribbon Wrapped is for sure going to be my favorite. I love pink with like shifty, predominantly gold shimmer. I just think the combination is so cool. And this is probably the shiftiest pink and gold I've seen. The shimmer goes very orange, very green, very gold, depending on the lighting. It's just a really cool polish. So that is the Christmas in New York trio collaboration with Clionadh Cosmetics and What's Up Beauty. I will link the Clionadh website and the What's Up Beauty website down below because you can find those at either website. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later. Bye.